dishes coming out dirty, filmy, or with food still stuck on. Your dishwasher isn't cleaning, and here's why. Number 1. Dirty filter. Modern dishwashers have a manual filter at the bottom of the tub that you need to clean regularly. Twist it out, rinse it under the faucet. If it's caked with food debris, the water recirculates dirty water over your dishes. This is the number 1 cause, and it's a free fix. Number 2. Clogged spray arms. The spinning arms have small holes that shoot water. Food particles, calcium, and mineral deposits clog those holes. Remove the spray arms and clean each hole with a toothpick. Soak them in vinegar for 30 minutes. Number 3. Water temperature too low. Your dishwasher needs 120-degree water to clean effectively. Run the hot water at your kitchen sink before starting the dishwasher. This fills it with hot water from the start instead of cold water sitting in the pipes. Number 4. The wash motor or pump is weak. If the spray arms aren't spinning with enough force, the motor is wearing out. 200 to 400 to replace. Number 5. Using the wrong cycle. The quick wash or light cycle doesn't clean heavy loads. Use the normal or heavy cycle for everyday dishes. Save quick wash for lightly soiled items only. Number 6. Detergent. Pods work better than liquid for most machines. Place the pod in the main detergent dispenser, not the pre-wash cup. Use a rinse aid to prevent spots and film. Dishwasher repair on all brands. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.